Hello guys, this is Matt VCBJ here with this Bing magazine with a Nature Explorer set. Today, I'm reviewing this Bing magazine with a Nature Explorer set. And I'll show you the Nature Explorer set at the end. And let's take a look inside the Bing magazine. So here, at the top of the page, you can write your name. I will show you what pages are for the activities. And here are the stickers. And these are all workbook ones. Cat. Round the corner, not far away, Bing meets a new friend today. And this is based on one of the episodes. And we can stick on the stickers. Turn to the next page, and we can stick on all the other ones. That's the last one. Cats. They're a Bing thing. Birds. Bing and Flop are feeding the birds. So we can stick on Flop, the bag of seeds, some piles of seeds, and some birds. Bing could be holding this. And here, it will show you how to make a bird feeder out of a cardboard tube. And you can count the feathers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 feathers. Cat maze. With your finger or a crayon, follow the path of activities to help Bing find the cat. So you start from the trails here. You have to find the things. And here you can colour the picture of Mitten and her kittens. And circle the colour that matches the wheelie bin. It's orange. And here you can trace the word mitten to get to the finish. Fruit bugs. So here you can make a butterfly and some ladybirds. Yummy delicious. And guys, I will show you how I made my own version of these. And now we're getting into the Bing Nature book. This one's a true or false. Bing is holding a ball. That's false. Then we've got some counting. Use this to help you count. So at the top you've got the number line. And we can stick on the 2 missing numbers. There's 7 and 9. Show you which one's odd and even. And now we can stick on the missing picture stickers and count the things. And don't forget all the other number stickers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 raspberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 willy flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 acorns. We can count the things on this page too. So I see 1, 2, 3 ducks. I count the things here. 1, 2 red flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow flowers. We can stick on the last one. And only 1 snail. Then this page is all about the letter L, so you can practice tracing it like this. And stick on a ladybird each time you find a letter L with the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them. And here you got the alphabet from A to Z. Going to stick on some ladybirds. Only on the letter L's, not the letter I's. Here you can colour the other butterfly's wing. And you can stick on 3 L's to finish the words. You have to trace the rest too. So we've got butterflies, snail, and leaves. Here you can colour Jilly, 2 dogs, Flop, and Bing. Woof woof. Then we've got a looking page. And this is also a jigsaw. Gonna stick on the jigsaw pieces first. And you have to look carefully for these 6 pictures in the big picture. And you can colour the spinner. Then we got a spot the difference at the vegetable patch. So I have to look carefully for the 6 differences. Got some true or false. This one. And Bing and Sula find a F R O G. Frog. And you can colour the sun. And finally, at the end of the workbook, you got the Bing Certificate of Fun. Woof! Round the corner, not far away, Bing and Flop play catch today. So this is where they meet the dog named Poppy. Nature Explorer Bingo. So this is a game you can play. You got player 1 and player 2 you need to cut out. Show you how to play it here. And I've got the spinner here. So you have to spin the white arrow here in the middle. And when it lands on a colour, like red, you have to look all around the room and find anything on your Nature Explorer. walk that's the same color. That's fun to do. Post mouse letters. You can make a collage here for Bing. Draw your name and age. Let's draw. You have to finish Bing's ears to dot. Let's make a sunshine game. So you can make it like this. So you can cut out Poppy, some balls, and got the grass. And how many paw prints? You have to color them in too. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paw prints to color in. And that is the end of the Bing magazine. And now I'm going to show you the sunshine game. Here's Poppy the dog. And here I've got 4 balls. And the game is that you need to get them inside here. You have to throw them until you get one inside. Yes. Yes. But just keep playing and playing until you get them all inside. And now I'm going to show you the Bing Nature Explorer set. Here are the 3 things you get here. These are binoculars. It says Nature Explorer. There's a picture of Bing and Flop. This is where you see through, so it'll make things look really big. And here you got 2 ladybirds with 4 spots on both of them and googly eyes. And here is the Nature Explorer spinner. You have to spin it, and you have to find something that matches the right color. Got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, and purple. So that's fun to play. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I want to ask for your help. Please help me pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And for the ones who has already subscribed to my channel, a massive thank you. See you next time. Bye.